Honor has launched its latest mid-range smartphone, the X60i. The device features a 6.7-inch OLED display with a 90 Hz refresh rate and a peak brightness of 2000 nits. Powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 6080 processor, the X60i offers a balance of performance and efficiency. It is the mid-range oriented Honor X60i, catering to the needs of users looking for a decent smartphone experience without spending much. Let's have a look at each aspect of the smartphone below. Honor X60i features a traditional design language coming with a boxy camera module housing the camera sensors and LED flashlight. However, Honor has added a bit of aesthetic touch with a textured design on the rear side. The phone is also available in several colors, allowing users to choose what fits their style. The colors include cloud blue, coral purple, magic night black, and moon shadow white. Additionally, the smartphone features an IP64 rating, providing water and dust resistance. Honor X60i features a 6.7-inch OLED panel, full HD+ resolution. This is a high highlight of the device, as mid-range devices cut costs in the display segment with an IPS panel. However, the addition of an OLED panel ensures punchy colors and a better viewing experience. The phone also has a faster 90 Hz refresh rate, providing a smoother touch experience. Outdoor visibility should not be an issue with the peak brightness of 2000 nits. OLED bright and gorgeous straight screen. With movie-level wide color gamut and ultra-high contrast, the screen is still clearly visible even in the scorching sun. 3240 Hz PWM zero-risk dimming eye protection screen, safer and more comfortable, and takes meticulous care of visual health. This phone looks similar to the latest iPhones from the front. The sides are also flat, and the corners have a similar radius of curvature. However, the camera island on the back looks slightly different and offers a different camera setup. In the camera, the Honor X60i brings a rear dual-camera 50-megapixel HD main camera f1.8 aperture, 2-megapixel depth-of-field camera f2.4 aperture depth sensor, front camera 8-megapixel camera f2.0 aperture. Front camera video shooting, supports up to 1080p video recording, AI elimination circle, and select with one click to intelligently identify passersby or debris, eliminate clutter, and restore pure and beautiful photos. The Honor X60i comes with a Dimensity 6080 chipset. This is a budget-oriented processor that is capable of running basic tasks and even moderate gaming. This chipset will be sufficient for those looking for day-to-day usage. Moreover, it is also 5G compatible, making future-proof. It has 8GB and 12GB RAM options with 256GB and 512GB internal storage options. In the battery department, the smartphone shines with its big 5000 mAh capacity battery. It can be fast-charged at 35 watts. The smartphone runs on Magic OS based on the Android operating system. The Honor X60i serves as a mid-range smartphone, providing an all-round experience. It has some highlights like an OLED panel, a 5G chipset, and a big battery. However, there is some cost-cutting in areas like cameras. Overall, this device is made for budget-conscious consumers and would be liked especially by users with high multimedia consumption. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.